So, andito tayo ngayon sa Avida Woodhill Settings in New Valley. We will check a new foreclosed house and lot. Yung details niya, ilalagay ko na lang dito sa video. Paki-check na lang din po. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So, ito po yung property. So, this is below market value. Current market value ng mga house and lot dito sa New Valley, if you will buy from the developer, nasa 12 million and up na. And this one is at 7 million, and pwede nating i-negotiate yung price subject for management approval. Again, if you are interested to make an offer, please message us directly. As is where is po ang turnover natin dito, and no warranty. This is available in cash or at least 10% spot down payment, then 90% balance bank financing, exclusive of taxes and fees. So, pasukin natin siya. So, as you can see, medyo maayos pa siya. Katatapos lang mag-grass cut dito. Yan. So, meron tayong bathroom dito sa baba. And then, ito yung kitchen area niya. Pwede pa kayong mag-extend dyan sa likuran. Yan. Property niya pa yan. Then, akitin natin yung taas. So, dito sa taas, maayos pa naman yung hagdan niya. Matibay pa. And then, meron tayong dalawang kwarto. This is the bedroom 1. Bedroom 2. Okay. So, ang lot area po nito is 130 square meters. Ang floor area niya is 50 square meters. And this is at 7 million. Pwede natin siyang i-negotiate subject for management approval. So, if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. This is first come, first serve basis. Yung property mukhang hindi siya natirhan. Maayos pa siya. Konting linis lang. Minor repairs lang. Check natin yung paligid niya. So, hanggang dyan yung perimeter niya. May kapitbahay na siya. And then dito yung side ng property. Yan. So, ito yung clubhouse nila. Kumpleto dito. May parks and playground, swimming pool, basketball court. And ang elevation natin dito is nasa 150 meters above sea level. So, never nababahain ang area na to. Ang subdivision na to. Swimming pool, infinity pool. And then, mayroon din tayong function area doon. Swimming pool. Then parks and playground.